Hey, Mitch Tram here. Let's talk about using a charcoal chimney. So what you need for a charcoal chimney is, or to use one, is the charcoal chimney itself, some old newspaper or brown paper bags, charcoal of course, and a lighter. With your charcoal chimney, you want to make sure that it is engaged right here, which makes the bottom grate lock in place, and then we're going to fill it up with charcoal. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Once you get it filled up with charcoal, then you're just going to take your paper and put in the bottom of it, and you're going to light it. So let's go ahead and do that. This is super easy. And you might ask, well, why do you use a charcoal chimney? Well, two reasons. It saves you some money. You don't have to buy lighter fluid. And some people are afraid to use lighter fluid or don't like the lighter fluid because they feel that it leaves a flavor behind on the meat. So using a charcoal chimney gives you a way to light your charcoal without having to use any lighter fluid, and you save a little bit of money also not spending it on the lighter fluid. So you just stuff your paper up here, put your charcoal chimney down inside your pit, and you don't have to put it in your pit. You could put it somewhere else. I always put it in my pit right here, and then you just light it. So I'm going to go in through the side here to light it. Okay, and with your charcoal chimney lit, it'll take it about 20 minutes or so to get the charcoal good and lit. And what you do is you just watch the top of this until you start to see coals. And once you start to see coals and the fire coming up, then you can either dump it out or you can disengage the handle right here and shake it out the bottom. And that's a super easy way to get your charcoal lit without having to use charcoal starter. So save yourself a few bucks. And like I said, if you feel like the charcoal starter imparts an unpleasant flavor into the meat, then that's another way to get around not having to use it. Okay, our charcoal chimney's ready. So when you handle this charcoal chimney, you're going to want to have some gloves. It's about time for some new gloves for me. Mine have a little hole right there. But you want to have some gloves to make sure that you don't burn yourself. So I'm going to grab this, and then I like to open the bottom and then shake it out. That's just my preference. So open the bottom up and then just shake it out. And there we go. We have our coals ready to go. So a nice, easy way to get your coals lit without having to use any charcoal starter, and it works relatively quickly, about 20 minutes, and you're all set. All right, guys, this is Mitch Tram. Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe to my channel. Take it easy.